Hey, what's up, Rainy Rue? So, my phone hates me. I sound like gangster. That's weird. Anyway, my phone hates me, so I have to record this on my computer. Because I already tried with my phone 2 different times, and they both failed. And it would only send like the third part or something. So, I hope you don't think my voice is weird. Yeah, there's my name. There's my other thing, and I was in freestyle this one, but I'm just gonna do this one. We can see the others if you want. And I spelled my name wrong, so Krieghtaum. Oh, this is a video quality. Take it all in. Okay, so that was the thingamabobber. I hope you liked it. It looks bad to me because I'm the one who knows how I'm supposed to do those moves, and I don't know. It just doesn't look like the jumps are too short or whatever, because I'm weird. Um. So yeah, that was 4 months ago, by the way. See you on Roblox because we are talking about Cleverbot right now. Bye.